To make the best tasting liver, we're going to be starting off by taking one onion and cutting it into quarters and then separating it. So I've peeled the onion and now I'm just cutting it into quarters. Because this is quite a big onion, I'm actually going to be cutting them into eighths. I've got some spring onions and I'm cutting them about 4 centimeters long. And then just cut them all up. If you've got really big spring onions like this one, cut them at 3 centimeters. We've got half a kilo of liver and now we're just going to cut that up. So I've got all the liver chopped up into the sizes that I want. And now we're going to season it. Add salt and pepper according to your taste. And some mushroom flavoured soy sauce. Two dessert spoons. Premium soy sauce. It's about 1 tablespoon. And squid fish sauce, half a teaspoon. 2 dessert spoons of cornstarch or corn flour. And then mix that through. I'm going to be frying in oil, so I'm just pouring some oil in and covering the base of the pan, which is about 4 tablespoons of oil. We're just trying one piece. The oil is not quite hot enough, so we'll wait a little bit. The oil's reached the right temperature, where you can see it's just spitting when we put the liquid in, and now we're going to add the rest to the pan. Once the onions are a little bit cooked, now add the spring onion. And turn the heat off. And now we can plate it up. I'm just laying it on top of some cos lettuce. And there you have the most delicious liver. Thank you so much for watching.